Principles of marketing. First one, explanation of Philip Kotler, father of marketing. Philip Kotler. Philip Kotler, explanation of definition means marketing. Marketing means any consumers, any consumer satisfaction of needs and wants. Needs and wants. And other definition also, any consumer satisfaction, need and wants, and buying and selling of any goods. Buying and selling of any goods. Buying and selling of any goods. So first one, identification of raw materials. Identification of raw materials. Raw materials will finished prepared to the finished goods. So any kind of products. Philip Kotler, any customers, any consumers and customers satisfaction of needs and wants. Needs and wants means needs avasaram. Wants means కోరికలు. మరి ఫిలిప్ కొట్లర్ చెప్పినటువంటి విషయం ఏంటంటే, ఏ వినియోగదారుడు అయినప్పటికీ కూడా తన యొక్క సంతృప్తి చెందాలి అన్నప్పుడు నీడ్స్ అండ్ వాంట్స్ మన యొక్క అవసరానికి తగ్గట్టుగా కోరికలు అనేది నెరవేర్చడం జరుగుతుంది. వాటిలో తను ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఇంకొక డెఫినేషన్ ఏంటి అంటే, ప్రతి వ్యక్తి ముడి పదార్థాలను సేకరించి అవసరమైన వస్తువులను తయారు చేసుకోవడం వీలు కాకపోవడం జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయడం జరుగుతుంది అంటే, ఎనీ రా మెటీరియల్స్, ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ రా మెటీరియల్స్ వెల్ ప్రిపేర్ టు ది ఫినిష్డ్ goods, identification of raw material, finished goods, well wisher of product means marketing mix. Marketing mix means any of two types, 4 pieces, 4 cases. 4 pieces, 4 cases. 4 pieces, 4 cases. 4 pieces, first one, product, price, place, last one, promotion. Four pieces, product, price, place, promotion. 4 cases, consumer and customer. Price, cost, place, convenience, promotion means communication. Any kind of 4 pieces, 4 cases. First one, product, price, place, promotion. Product means any kind of raw materials will prepare to the finished goods of product. Product means one type of business. Business is a economic activity. Business is a art and science. Arts and science. business is a arts and science is a economic activity under economic activity is a company undertaken by production of production of products buying and selling rather than sales and services. As product means one type of business. Business is a arts and science is a economic activity. Economic activity means two type of economic activity: non-economic activity. Any person daily, any person engage with the profits, any profits ఏదైనా లాభాన్ని వచ్చినట్లయితే దాన్ని ఎకనామిక్ యాక్టివిటీగా చూపించడం. ఎకనామిక్ యాక్టివిటీ ఇస్ ఏ కంపెనీ అండర్టేకెన్ బై ప్రొడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్. ప్రొడక్షన్ మీన్స్ ఉత్పత్తి. ఉత్పత్తి మీన్స్ ఉత్పత్తిలో ఏం చేయడం, ముడి పదార్థాలను సేకరించడం. ముడి పదార్థాలను సేకరించి ఏం చేయడం, కంపెనీ మీన్స్ పరిశ్రమ లేదా ఒక సమూహ ప్రదేశం. కంపెనీస్ యాక్ట్ 1956, కంపెనీస్ ఆఫ్ టూ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీస్: ప్రైవేట్ కంపెనీస్, పబ్లిక్ కంపెనీస్. Private companies, public companies undertaken by the production of product, buying and selling means product of customers. Any convenience of consumers and customers very prepared to the finished goods utilization of customers. Next one, price. Price means cost. Any have consumers and customers convince and available of cost. Any different kind of peoples also cost, reasonable cost will be purchased. Next one, place means any production prepared to the raw materials of product and price decided to the price and place means any persons, two or more persons, any etc persons. Also sellers and buyers clubbing of areas means place means convenience means all members are convinced place traveling and any transportation means convince. And promotion means communication means any sellers and buyers communication. So very positive communication will also be 4 pieces and 4 cases. Next one, 7 pieces. 4 pieces and 4 cases. Next one, 7 pieces. 7 pieces means marketing mix. Marketing mix. 7 pieces. Now, Philip Kotler. Product, price, process. Promotion. Physical evidence. Physical evidence. Product, place, price, people, process, promotion, the physical evidence. Number one, product. Any raw materials. Identification of raw materials will be shared. Prepared to the finished goods. Also, any persons, anyhow, industries and companies. Companies Act 1956 will be prepared on product. Next one, place, convenience of place, 4 pieces and 4 cases. When place means convenience of place. Also, any sellers and buyers gather to the place, convenience of place. And price, reasonable price. Also, any stages of people, rich people, middle class people, poor people, rich peoples, middle class people and poor peoples. Also, any stages of people, stages of preparation of products, 3 stages preparation of products. The people also, then 3 stages of peoples, rich people, middle class people and poor peoples. Next one, process means any how product will be prepared on coloring and packaging of process, the delivery and the promotion, communication of any peoples. The physical evidence, any product will be prepared to the physical evidence of branding and labeling and coloring of any have consumers and customers satisfaction of consumers. Okay, we'll discuss tomorrow.